Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I need you to subscribe and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. If you're already subscribed, hey girl, and welcome back. So today I'm gonna show y'all how we do our grocery shopping. So today's video, I'm gonna show y'all how I do my grocery shopping. Since the pandemic, we've been using Instacart. They have a lot of delivery options and also pickup options. So I'm gonna show y'all how we grocery shop. If we're picking up, majority of the time we use Food Line. If we're getting groceries delivered, we use Publix. But today I feel like picking up groceries and getting out of the house. So yeah, we're gonna go to Food Line. So on this screen, I'm just showing you some other store options that are available in my area. We have Aldi's, Costco, BJ's Wholesale Club, CVS Pharmacy, Petco, Staples, Best Buy, the vitamin shops, just a different variety. Download the Instacart app and let's get shopping. So right here, this is the Food Line section. You got your buy it again based on your purchases, trending recipes, departments for you, buy it again on sale, produce and floral, meat and seafood, deli, bakery. These are just categories for you to choose from when you begin shopping. You can also use the search button at the top right corner, and that way you can just type in whatever you need, and bam, it's right there. So right here, I usually just go to the buy it again because we typically eat the same thing over and over again. So I just go through my buy it again section and just choose the items that we're out of in the house. Gotta get the yogurt for my babies. Gotta have my Starbucks drinks to give me some energy being at home with these two little ones. Gotta get the orange juice. I think we want the orange juice with the calcium. There we go. So yeah, you just go through, pick the items that you need, press the plus sign, and it's automatically added to your cart. So in this section, I forgot to get my son some Loves, his diapers. So I'm just going back through, adding the Loves, size 4. $25.99, and yeah, add to the cart. And also his Gerber snacks. So right here, I'm just letting them know that my pickup is scheduled and I'm on my way to pick up my groceries. So this screen is just letting you know that my pickup time is from 2 to 3 p.m. today, and this is the location that I'm picking it up from. And they also give you the option if someone else picking it up, you can just type in their name and let them know who will be picking it up, since it won't be the person who, requested the groceries. So next, this is the screen that gives you the option to replace or request a refund. So say if they're out of the cotton balls that I asked for, I can choose my second option of cotton balls that I want. Same thing with the Q-tips. If they don't have the cotton one swab Q-tips that I asked for, I can just choose the regular Q-tips or another brand of Q-tips. Same thing with the bananas. If they don't have the right banana I asked for, I'll just ask for a refund. Depending on who's shopping your order, majority of the time, if you don't fill this section out, depending on who they are, either they'll replace everything or either they'll just refund you themselves. So now I forgot to add eggs to my list, and I've already submitted my order. But as long as they haven't started picking your order yet, you can go ahead and add anything else that you forgot to add. But just make sure they hadn't picked your order. So on this screen, it's showing you my replacement items. The person whoever shopped my order, they didn't have the items that I requested, so they gave me some replacement items. Also, the items that are priced by their weight, they show me the adjustment weights. And they also show you the items that have already been shopped. So yeah. So right now, you can review your changes, and it'll let you know when your shopping is completed, when your item is ready for pickup, and when your order is complete altogether. So now my shopping is complete and my items are being packed and stored in a temperature controlled environment, waiting for me to pick them up by 3 o'clock p.m. So at this point, I'm getting the kids ready so we can go and get our groceries. Pickup scheduled today until 3 p.m. If someone else is picking up your order, you can also let them know who will be picking up your order. So right here, I'm just letting them know that I'm on my way to pick up my groceries, and they'll be using my location to track. Thank you. We're done. We can go home. So thank y'all for shopping with us today. If you've enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this, comment down below, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.